Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by turning the forward focus to accessory or run so the sync system powers up. Don't start pairing while the car is off. On your phone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and turn Bluetooth on while keeping the phone unlocked and visible. If you previously paired a device and pairing fails, remove old pairings from sync or your phone first. Press the phone button on the dash or use the touchscreen to navigate to add Bluetooth device so the vehicle broadcasts its pairing name. With the car in pairing mode, open Bluetooth search on the phone and select the Ford sync or vehicle name shown. A 4-digit PIN will appear on both the sync display and your phone. Confirm the PIN matches and tap pair or connect. When prompted, grant permission to share contacts and messages so hands-free calling, caller ID, and text notifications work. Allow the phone to complete connecting both the phone and media or audio profiles. The system will display a confirmation when both profiles finish pairing. If the phone will not pair, first restart the phone and cycle the car to accessory or run, then retry pairing. Check Bluetooth is not already connected to another device like a smartwatch or tablet. Disable other Bluetooth connections temporarily. If problems continue, go to Sync Settings to delete paired devices or perform a master reset using Settings General Master Reset to clear software issues. For persistent faults, update sync firmware through Ford instructions or visit a dealer to install the latest system software.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.